Hey guys, Stuart here. Welcome back to another Sheetify CRM tutorial. Today we'll be focusing on the Sheetify Bookkeeping Toolkit. And in particular, I'll be showing you how to use the task tracker. Now, if you're unfamiliar with our Sheetify CRM or Bookkeeping Toolkit, what I'll do is add the appropriate tutorials down below in the description, which will help you learn more and get started with each of these different Google Sheets templates. Now, to locate the task tracker, simply navigate down to Tasks. And this is where you can manage all your tasks inside the Sheetify Bookkeeping Toolkit. Now, before you start using the task tracker, make sure you navigate up to Sheetify. And if you haven't authorized your Sheetify Bookkeeping Toolkit yet, simply navigate down to Set up Sheetify Bookkeeping and then click on Set Authorization and follow the simple steps to authorizing your account. This is going to allow you to use your Google Sheets template with the Google Task app. And inside the task tracker, you have two options for managing your tasks. You can manage tasks directly inside this interface, inside your Google Sheets template, or you can send these tasks directly to the Google Task app, and you can manage your tasks in here. For example, let's close out of this, and then go ahead and add a task down here. You can see we've got some example tasks, but let's go ahead and add a new task. For example, this is a bookkeeping task, cancel AC bill, then add the task description. I've added, we have changed providers, cancel with Trustpower. Now what you can also do is right click and select insert note. And here you can add additional information to your note. As you can see, I've quickly added additional information on this note. Then add the priority. You can also add your own down here, as well as the status, in progress, the due date, and you can see a notification pop up down here. The due date is next week. Then add the time that your task is due. And here you want to add any format that works for you. You can see examples up here. And as you can see, the last status change has been automatically updated here. This is when the status has been changed over here. Then you can also assign the task to a team member. I'm going to select Emma. Now, if I like, I can add this task to my Google Task app. This means I can view my task on the go from my mobile device. That will also add the task to your Google Calendar. To do this, simply click on the task, then navigate up to Sheetify, and click on Taskify. And just like that, you can see task or tasks added to bookkeeping task list. Simply navigate over to your Google Task app. You can find this app in the toolbar. Then navigate up to My Tasks and locate the bookkeeping tasks list. And you can see that task has been added inside our Google Task app. And you can see all the details here. If you like, you can turn this into a recurring task by clicking here and adding the details to repeat this task. This is a one-off task, so I'm going to click on Cancel. And again, if I want to send another task to my Google Task app, simply click on the task, then navigate up to Sheetify, and again click on Taskify. And you'll see that task appear up here as well as a notification down here. Now let's navigate up here and close this. And again, like I mentioned, you can view that task directly inside your Google Task template, this bookkeeping template, or you can view the task in the Google Task app or inside your Google Calendar. Now, it's important to note that depending on who's logged into their account and has access to this template, if someone decides to click on this task, for example, and then they click on Sheetify and Taskify, that's going to send that task to that person's Google Task app and the account, the Google account that they're logged into. So if I clicked Taskify, that's going to send this task to my Google Task app. However, if my team member signed in, let's say Sam, and he was logged into his Google account and he clicked Taskify, that's going to send the task to his Google Task app. Now to add another task, what you can do is navigate down here and add a task down on the bottom row, or you can navigate up to Sheetify and click on Add Task. And as you can see, a new task row will be added up here where you can fill in those task details. However, that is everything that I wanted to cover in this Sheetify bookkeeping tutorial, showing you how you can leverage the built-in task tracker.